Hello guys, this is Mahidagnam and I'm right now going to present my information visualization project that we've done. My teammate is Mahesh. So the problem that we want to solve with this information visualization project is that these days any of the websites that we usually follow for the sport news, they merely show the statistics of the match that is being played with the two teams. But we wanted to provide a user with a platform wherein he can explore and compare the players as well as the player performance trends or like let's say or like 10 years back of data that we have got from a major sites like ESPN. We have used Python scripts to crawl the data. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and delve into the screens and plots that we have. So here is the first screen which shows the player-wise statistics, and on selection of any of the teams, we're gonna go show the match-wise statistics. So let's first start with the player statistics. Here is a plot that has the US map and then all the NFL teams in it. So we also have a selection here that filter down the teams based on the league that they belong to. So on click of the so on selection of any of the league, here are dots that shows a particular team. In this case, this dot hides a New England Patriot and it belongs to AFC East Conference. So the four other dots that are also highlighted along with the New England Patriots are they belong to the same conference. So that is it, and this is a section wherein a user can select any of the season and can see who the Super Bowl winner is. At the right we have the player based statistics, wherein for any of the year that is selected, this section is gonna have the leaders of the categories, different categories here, passing, rushing and receiving. So on click of any of these particular leader, we're gonna show the performance trends of him or like the particular years, or like more than 10 years. So this is a multi-line chart, where the red line shows the particular player which is selected is Drew Brees and his performance over past years, and along with the blue line that shows the highest the leaders score at that particular years. So this is a nice platform wherein users can explore a lot of new insights here, wherein any of the new user who comes to this plot can easily see how a player is being evolved. So let's say Drew Brees, this guy, he was being an average guy in the year that he was here, but now he's the leader in the passing. So the other interesting insight that we followed here is in the 2015 and with the rushing leader Adrian Peterson, this guy's performance has been very fluctuating over the years, and this might be because of some injuries that would have had happened. Might be that could be a reason, but this provides an interesting way of giving a user platform exploring the interesting insights. And also we wanted to and here is another feature wherein on click of this explore button, we're going to get a nice radar plot that compares players with the attributes of the categories that he belongs to. Right now I've clicked on the explore button of the rushing, wherein by default the plot is going to compare all these three players from the different teams here. So on selection of any of the years and any of the position, basically it's going to be either a rushing or passing or and so on. So on select of any of these teams and players, on click of compare, going to get a radar plot here with the attributes which is being set to the highest value of that particular year. And here is a lesson that shows to which whose plot is being colored here and all that. So So that is basically we consider the radar plot to be the best of all the plots in our visualization project. So on click of any of these teams, we're gonna go to the team-based statistics screen, wherein here is a table that shows all the matches that is been played in 2000 any of the year here against New England Patriots. So on selection of any of the years, like let's say 2016, and on click of any of the team here that it played against with. Here we're gonna have a section which shows the match-based statistics, which are the two teams that are been playing and who won, the ads of the total ads, position, first downs, and the quarter-based scores of that particular match. So this gives a neat facility for the user to just get a glance of what has been happening just with the first look. And here is another plot that shows the team performances trends over the past years. Like on click of losses, it's gonna show the lose trends, and on win, it's gonna show the winning trends. So, and here another graph that is being linked with this through linked highlighting. On selection of any of these years, uh, this graph is gonna show the number of quarters that which it had of whichever the option that is been selected here. So the wins, the number of wins of quarter fours within the number of wins of 2016 match here. So yeah, that's all guys. Like there are pretty neat graphs here that can provide user with the with with the facility of exploring as much as data that he can with the different plots here. So on click of this player starts, again we're gonna get back to the player based statistics comparison screen. So that's all guys.